Hello, my name is Anshika and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure Developer, Azure Cognitive Search. Microsoft offers the Azure Search Service, and it is a search as a service cloud solution platform that allows you to index your information from different data sources. And what your data sources can be? It can be your database, Azure Blob Storage, or any other storage available online. Now, when you want to search your data, Azure Search needs to know your data. And once your data is loaded, you can perform Azure Cognitive Search that uses the AI algorithm in the background. You can have the data like images, PDF files, doc files, or any other kind of file to perform the search on. And it can be done in three simple steps. First, ingest, where you can load your data. Second, enrich. Once your data is loaded, you can perform the indexing and AI on your data. Third, explore. Now the user gets the desired results by searching the various keywords present in the data. Now let's look into the more deeper process of how Azure Search works. Let's go through the process of Azure Cognitive Search. Firstly, we need to collect all our data. It can be in any form like images, PDF files, doc files, and many more. After that, we need to let the Azure Cognitive Search know where the documents are stored, means the data source. Now the cognitive skills of the Azure is executed. After that, we know what documents we are searching for. Index for searching means we have attached the certain index to each document present in the storage. Now, the user can search the particular text he or she is looking for in the document and get the desired results. In simple words, we can say that data with some added skills of artificial intelligence indexes the documents and user gets the desired result.